These are the P20570s from Epson. They are aqueous inkjet printers that we use for fine art prints. They have an extended gamut with orange, violet, and green, which allows the CMYK gamut to expand a little further out. We have 6 new printers throughout both buildings, and they're replacing printers that some of them had 11 million carriage passes on them, where the print head went back and forth in the machine 11 million times. The way that these are calibrated, they're in line with one another, the way that we could put a print on any printer and any paper, and we can make it look really accurate from one to the next.